Looking great and youthful these days matters since we face a world of social media that pays so much attention to your appearance on and off the camera. Knowing about certain vitamins that contribute to your glow up has also been in demand. For this reason, let's talk about retinol and how it benefits or even has some side effects for your body. So, what is retinol and what does it do to you? Retinol is a form of retinoids derived from vitamin A, which is known to have several benefits on your body, especially your skin, eyes, and immune system. This fat-soluble vitamin is also a primary source for production of collagen, which is crucial to maintain skin elasticity and healthy joints. There is no surprise that retinol is commonly used by women aged 30 and above to achieve youthful skill, as your body's ability to produce collagen decreases as you age. For this reason, retinol becomes a powerful ingredient used among skincare products because it helps in producing more collagen and has amazing benefits for your skin. Before we move on, be sure to subscribe to Natural Education for more helpful content and to be a part of our growing family as well. Click the bell icon to stay updated with our upcoming videos. Number 1. Reduces signs of aging. Retinol is an anti-aging ingredient in skincare products that help reduce fine lines and wrinkles, which are common signs of aging. Retinol can also improve your skin tone and texture through its exfoliating effect on the surface of your skin, or it helps increase the production of collagen, and it also softens rough patches of skin. Additionally, this derivative of vitamin A also improves your skin color by boosting the production of new blood vessels. For better results, use retinol products during nighttime and avoid prolonged contact with sunlight when you put it on your skin. Exposure to the sun may cause dryness and irritation. The best time to apply retinol is 30 minutes after washing your face to avoid skin irritation. It is advised that you consult a dermatologist first before you purchase a retinol-containing product to ensure your safety. Though over-the-counter retinol products are generally considered safe, dermatologists may recommend a certain brand that would be suitable for your skin type. Retinol should also be consumed every other night if you are a beginner. It should be applied gradually to your skin and observe if skin irritation occurs. Do not try to use it every night as it may cause side effects such as redness, itchiness, and peeling of the skin. Number 2. Treats mild acne. Retinol can unclog your pores and prevent acne outbreaks through its exfoliating effects on your skin. This happens when retinol normalizes skin cell turnover and prevents dead cells from clogging your pores. Retinol can also stop the forming of blackheads, cysts, and pimples by going deep beneath the outer layer of your skin or the epidermis, as it helps neutralize free radicals. These results, however, do not happen overnight. It takes weeks and months to see the glow and changes in your skin when you use retinol products. In some cases, it may take around 8 to 12 weeks to see retinol effects on both your face, eyes, and neck. As mentioned, exposure to sunlight may interfere with the positive effects of retinol, so you need to wear sunscreen every day, specifically mineral-based and at least SPF 15 if you're planning to stay outdoors for long. Have you tried using retinol products before? How's your experience so far? We'd love to hear about it in the comments below. Number 3. Promotes healthy vision. Not only retinol is great for your skin, but also your eyes. Vitamin A has been known to promote healthy eyes, and retinol can protect your eyes from night blindness and macular degeneration. Macular degeneration is an eye condition that happens in people aged 50 and above, and is caused by thinning of the macula. The macula is found in your retina, and it's responsible for giving you clear eyesight. According to the recommended dietary allowance, you should take 700 to 900 milligrams of retinol per day depending on your age, gender, and other health conditions. Women should take 700 milligrams, and men should have 900 milligrams of retinol. Pregnant women require more retinol than healthy and ordinary people. Number 4. Improves immune health. Retinol, being a derivative of vitamin A, also plays a role in boosting your immune system by maintaining your body's natural defenses. Some studies have showcased that vitamin A has anti-inflammatory properties that enhance immune function. To have an ample supply of vitamin A in your body, eat foods such as cod liver oil, carrots, spinach, broccoli, and beef liver. These are great natural sources of retinol that will strengthen your immune system and will treat your skin problems from the inside. Eating fruits and vegetables that are rich in vitamin A can make your skin glow as well. Take note that retinol is an over-the-counter type of retinoid, and retinoids are a more powerful derivative of vitamin A that needs a health professional's prescription. Retinoids are used in severe skin conditions. They are also more effective than retinol. However, there is also a higher risk of side effects in them. For people aged 30, experts recommend that you use it 3 to 4 times a week. For aged 40, use it every other night. And for 50 to 60, you can go from 5 to 7 times per week, depending on your skin's response to the product. Alongside great benefits, you may experience some side effects of retinol. But before we proceed, it would be amazing if you could like this video and subscribe to our channel if you are interested in finding out about health tips and health education content. Okay, let's not waste much of your time and continue with our video with 3 most common side effects. Number 1. Skin irritation. Retinol may also pose a threat to your health if you use or apply it excessively. Commonly, an overdose of retinol may lead to skin problems such as dry and irritated skin, itchiness, redness, and peeling of the affected area. However, there can be more serious side effects that can manifest if the first symptoms are not treated earlier. Number 2. Acne breakouts. Chronic acne and acne breakouts may be caused by retinol toxicity. This can occur and continue within 3 to 4 weeks, and your face may feel inflamed and painful. Consult a dermatologist right away if this happens, because there are factors that may contribute to breakouts as well. It is not a very common side effect of retinol, but it may be due to excessive smoking, drinking alcohol, stress, inadequate sleep, and unhealthy eating habits. Number 3. Eczema flare-up. Another unusual side effect of retinol toxicity is eczema flare-up. Eczema is characterized by red, itchy, and dry skin that occurs when your immune system is unable to fight inflammation. Like acne flare-up, eczema flare-up may also be caused by other factors, including environmental stresses. To avoid this side effect, you should apply a moisturizer twice a day or an anti-itch cream on top of the retinol product that you used. Experts say it is safe to use a moisturizer along with retinol. As you can see, retinol is a useful and widely studied fat-soluble vitamin that may slow down signs of aging, such as fine lines and wrinkles. Using products that contain retinol should be put in moderation because the youthful skin that you desire might lead to a disaster. If you feel worried about using retinol, make sure to consult with professional experts, dermatologists, who can give you the best advice. In the meantime, perhaps you would like to learn more about other health supplements like NAC or Biotin and how they could affect your body. We have it ready for you. Thanks for watching and see you on the next health education video.